I don't have any hobbies, actually. This isn't a hobby. This consumes my entire life. A hobby is something you do on the side. This is not a side project. I'd say eating is my hobby.
Hello everyone, welcome back. Okay, so back to our 3D petal or leaf applique. Okay, so this is what I have. I already did some because I was already working on the dress. As you can see, I already a lot of them. So if you want your petal bigger than this, you can create any design you want or you like. Okay, so I'm going to be showing us how. So the materials needed for this are your organza. This is an organza material. This is your copper wire. You can use any gauge. Mine is 0.8 mm. Okay, and then you need your hemming gum, right? Basically I think that is all of it, and then you need your gum. Okay, so I'm going to be showing us what my organza looks like. So this is my organza. Okay, this is my organza, and I'm going to be folding it into two and then lining up my hemming gum in between to iron it down. Now when you want to iron your hemming gum, let's take for instance, I'm using, because this is actually much for what I need, so I'm using half of this, right? I'll just cut it out, and then I'll take my hemming gum and I'll line it up very close to each other. This is hemming gum one, the next one will be very close to the other one, like closed up. There should be no space at all. There shouldn't be any space at all. Okay, so you line it up like that and then cover it with the other side of it, like in between. You're lining it inside and then covering it all up. Okay, when you've done that, you can place a fabric or material on top to iron it. After ironing it, you have something like this. Okay, it's firmer now, it's thicker than this. This is lighter, this is thicker. You see the difference? Okay, so this is what you're gonna have. Then use it to cut out the design that you want. I was almost cutting out one. I'm already working on this dress, so I don't want to slow it down. I say let me use it because so many people have been asking me to put it up on YouTube so that they can learn from it. Okay, so this is how you achieve your effect. Get your organza material, iron your hemming gum on it closely so that it gives you a firmer effect. Okay, when you're done, you now go ahead to cut out the size or the style of your petal or your leaf. Okay, when you've done that, the next thing you need to do is, okay, so let me continue from where I stopped here. Okay, I was about cutting one. Okay, so let me cut it completely and then I'm going to show us how I achieved that. Okay, so now you see the difference between this and this. I can actually style this the way I like. Anyhow I want it to go, any design I want. If I want it to stand firmly like this on the fabric, it's gonna stand, but I can't guarantee that with this because this is, see, but if I bend this it stays, if I bend this it doesn't stay. Okay, so that's the effect of the copper wire. So I'm going to be showing us how to neatly attach your copper wire on this. So what you want to do is get this, your petal, get your uhu gum. You have to be very neat. You have to be very neat. If you know you're clumsy, please kindly use like a needle or something to touch your uhu gum at the center of this petal, because you don't want to mess it up. And let the gum not be too much, right? So having done this, I'll check the length. And cut it out. Sorry, I don't have my scissors here. Okay, so this is the length of my petal. So I'm going to be placing it on my gum, directly on my gum. Okay, neatly. Make sure that your copper wire is straight. This one is bending. This one is bending. Okay, so make sure yours is straight, and then you keep it to dry. You keep it to dry. When it dries, you have this. Okay, see how beautiful this. You have this, so you can use it. Like I said, you can use it to create designs. You can make this one stand, make this one flat. You know, anyhow you want to create your beautiful petal effects, you get it. Okay, I think that's all about that. For more, if you want to see the outcome of this dress, like I said, please kindly follow me on Instagram, because YouTube is strictly videos. You know, I can't post pictures. So if you follow on Instagram at Luchis_fashion_empire, like I said, the Luchis is spelled LUCHYZ_fashion_empire. You're going to be seeing this bride, like the bride. Okay, so I don't like to impersonate people's work. I don't like to use people's work to, you know, do mine. I like you to see my work the way it is and the outcome. Thank you.